Daisy, 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 give me your answer, dear. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. It might be a stylish Mary.
What happened when she was singing? What happened suddenly? She found the cameraman. So the cameraman had moved or panned around a little bit to see if he could get more of a frontal view. And as soon as she saw him, it was a young guy on the camera. She totally ignored the camera, but she was really looking at the guy. And she was, now watch her feet as she dances here.
I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two.
You're flirting.
Yeah, I can't help it.
So as a group, what actually happened at the end there? Did she understand what Melanie said to her?
Oh, absolutely.
Was she very in the moment?
Mm-hmm.
That music, so we took her from walking with music to sad and lonely and thinking about the past, back to Daisy, to finding a date and suddenly being alive there and being able to do weight shifts to the side. She's doing a sidestep. She's sidestepping. So she's weight shifting with a sidestep while she's watching somebody. And then she doesn't even look at Melanie. Melanie says, "You're flirting, aren't you?" And Susie goes, "Yeah, I can't help it." And in that moment, boy, does the window open and you see this amazing lady who's still in there. And, you know, the really interesting part is within 6 months, she's gone. I mean, this is that moment where without music, we would never have seen this woman again. Because music was what mobilized her. Music is what helped her remember herself. Music was the part that offered her an opportunity to engage with people and to live basically until the end of her life. So this music thing is more than, it's not being a therapist. Melanie is not a music therapist any more than I am. But once we figure out how to use music, wow, what a powerful tool. It is a tool that helps us for sure find connections for people and give them the opportunity to just do things, amazing things.
Hey folks, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help us spread Teepa's positive approach message around the world. And don't forget to click the bell to get notified when new videos are posted.